Yeah, welcome to our driving video. We're out here, and we're out here to do our thing. Get steady a little bit. We're just trying it inside the cab. Got a very strong northwest wind. It's going through Alda right now. It's in our 4K. We're not even driving. I'm driving on 62. One thing I definitely use is the tripod, car tripod, whatever that is. Not like on the dash cam, but it's actually you nail it, and then you go ahead, put your camcorder on there. That's something I'm going to have to do this 4K stuff. there, I'm also looking at a 4K dash cam. It will replace the 1080p. Some of these dash cams don't do as long. As it used to be. I'm going to have to make a stop and open, get the door closed. Just in case, but we're just driving from Alda to Wood River. I'm going to make a stop somewhere. Try to get the door closed on the passenger side. Alright, I'll let you guys go here. So thanks a lot for watching. If you like the video, thumbs up, please subscribe to my channel. And you get more notifications. So thanks a lot for watching. See you guys next time. Alright, bye-bye. So, thanks for watching this video on my channel. If you like the video, give me a like, comment on this video or any other videos I posted, and subscribe to my channel. And it certainly helps me get the views that I'm looking for, and do all that good stuff that I send you. Alright, thanks for watching. I'll see you guys on my next video. Alright, bye bye.